Hell, hey, hey there, I'm this Marsh Theory guy. Ever since I watched real life or he didn't do a video on my earthquake, so I decided myself to do it. We know earthquakes and volcanoes are related, so how earthquakes and volcanoes can be related to each other. The majority of the quakes are in the edges of tectonic plates, where definitely are the volcanoes too. But the question is, how strong the earthquake can be? Well, is this a megatrust earthquake? The megatrust earthquake is a situation where the two plates and context. Check out this image. Now, let me show the magnitude of the quake so you see how strong it is. The magnitude is 9.1, which definitely is one of the strongest earthquake. But the strongest earthquake ever happened in Australia with 9.5 magnitude, which means it's the biggest and strongest quake that have ever happened. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on this March Theory guy. And I see you on the next video.